Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another useful and informative video which is about cannot verify payment information, contact Apple support for more information. So guys, if you're facing this problem while paying your subscriptions on your iPhone, here I will give you some possible solutions to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution is very simple. You will have to just sign out your Apple ID for one time and then you will have to sign in again to fix this problem. Hopefully your problem will be fixed by this solution. So guys, open your settings on your iPhone, tap on your profile, scroll it below, and from here sign out your Apple ID and sign in again and check if your problem is fixed or not. If it doesn't work, go for the second solution. That is, you will have to make it sure that your debit or credit cards are not expired. If they are expired, you will have to renew your debit or credit card to fix this problem. So guys, make it sure that your debit or credit cards are not expired. So after this guys, go for the third solution. That is, correctly add your payment method details and correctly add your billing address and correctly add your country or region on your device. So guys, for that, just open your settings again and tap on your profile, scroll it below, and from here tap on media and purchases, and again tap on view account. So guys, wait for some seconds again and tap on country or region. Wait for some seconds. Tap again on country or region. So guys, select your country from here. I am selecting United States. Select your country according to your debit or credit card and tap on agree. Tap again on agree. So guys, from here correctly add your payment method details and correctly add your billing address. So guys, here you will have to just give your credit or debit card number and the date of expiry and the security code, and after this give your name for billing address and then street number or name and then your city and then state and then your zip code and in the last your phone number. So guys, check this carefully and make it sure that there is no mistake in these details. So guys, after this, check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, the next solution to this problem is that you will have to make it sure that your international transactions are not disabled by your bank. So guys, after this, go for the final solution. That is, you will have to change payment method to fix this problem. So guys, the final solution for this problem is that change your payment method, and hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, for that, just open settings and then tap on your profile, and from here tap on payment and shipping, and from here you will have to just change your payment method to fix this problem. So guys, after all these solutions, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.